has officially unveiled the 2026 Ranger Super Duty, a mid-size pickup truck designed to meet the toughest work demands. Combining a powerful engine, advanced safety features, and modern technology, the Ranger Super Duty promises to set a new standard in the mid-size pickup segment. 1. Engine and performance, the powerful heart of the 2026 Ranger Super Duty. When it comes to heavy-duty pickup trucks, engine power and performance are key factors that determine user trust. And the 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty does not disappoint, as it's equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 diesel engine, a true powerhouse designed to handle the toughest challenges. 3.0L turbocharged V6 power through advanced engineering. The 3.0L V6 turbo diesel engine in the 2026 Ranger Super Duty delivers not only impressive horsepower but also exceptional stability and durability in harsh conditions. Ford has fine-tuned this engine to achieve the ideal balance between towing power and fuel efficiency. The engine is expected to produce around 250 to 280 horsepower, with a maximum torque of over 600 Newton-meters. This allows the Ranger Super Duty to effortlessly haul heavy trailers, transport construction materials, or undertake cross-terrain expeditions without breaking a sweat. Importantly, this turbo diesel engine has been calibrated to meet the strict Euro 6.2 emissions standard, making it one of the cleanest powertrains in its class. This reflects Ford's commitment not only to power but also to environmental sustainability. Optimized cooling system, the key to lasting performance. For a heavy-duty pickup like the Ranger Super Duty, operating under heavy loads and in tough terrain is expected. To handle this, Ford has redesigned the cooling system, ensuring the engine maintains optimal temperature even under prolonged high-intensity usage. A larger radiator, intelligent coolant flow management, and high-precision thermal sensors work together to form an efficient temperature control system. This significantly extends engine lifespan and ensures the truck doesn't overheat, even in hot, humid, and dusty environments like construction sites or deserts. 10-speed automatic transmission, efficiency at every gear. Paired with the V6 engine is a 10-speed automatic transmission, a hallmark of Ford engineering seen in models like the F-Series. This gearbox offers numerous benefits. Smooth shifting. Closely spaced gear ratios provide seamless transitions, delivering a refined driving experience at both low and high speeds. Fuel efficiency. With optimal gear spacing, the engine can operate at ideal RPMs in most conditions, reducing fuel consumption compared to traditional 6-speed transmissions. Improved towing performance. Combined with the high torque output, this transmission enables the truck to climb steep gradients, tackle off-road terrain, or pull heavy loads with ease. Additionally, the Smart Shift Management System automatically adjusts to load weight and road incline, ensuring the vehicle always stays within its power band. This eliminates situations where the truck feels sluggish or lacks acceleration. Driving experience, powerful yet responsive. What's remarkable about the 2026 Ranger Super Duty is that, despite its tremendous capability, it still offers a refined and composed driving experience. Thanks to its advanced 4WD system, drivers can switch between 2WD and 4WD with a simple dial, making it easy to adapt to various surfaces, from smooth city roads to muddy, rocky, or sandy trails. Moreover, the electric power-assisted steering (EPAS) system enhances responsiveness and precision. Even though the truck is large and heavy, the steering remains light and easy to control, especially at low speeds or during tight maneuvers. 2. Towing and payload capacity, redefining the standard of heavy-duty pickups. One of the most outstanding features, and a major point of pride, for the 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty is its exceptional towing and payload capabilities, making this pickup a truly reliable workhorse for individuals and businesses requiring high performance. Impressive towing capacity: 4.500 kilograms with brakes. The 2026 Ranger Super Duty boasts a towing capacity of up to 4.500 kilograms, with trailer brakes, significantly higher than the 3.500 kilograms seen in standard Ranger variants. With this number, The Super Duty surpasses many rivals in the mid-size pickup segment and even approaches some full-size trucks like the F-Series in certain markets. This allows users to tow medium to large recreational boats, horse or livestock trailers, construction equipment like mini excavators or compact rollers, large camper trailers for long road trips. Notably, the 4.500 kilograms towing capacity is engineered to remain stable even on steep gradients. Off-road conditions, or when driving in crosswinds, an essential safety aspect for drivers who frequently haul heavy loads. Gross vehicle and combined mass, versatile and capable. In addition to its towing power, the Ranger Super Duty has a gross vehicle mass, GVM, of 4.500 kilograms, allowing it to carry significantly more gear, tools, or goods than any previous Ranger model. Furthermore, its gross combined mass, GCM, is 8.000 kilograms, meaning the truck can carry a full payload while towing a substantial trailer without exceeding its technical limits. This level of capability is particularly useful in sectors such as construction, transporting materials like cement, bricks, and steel or towing generators and tools, forestry and agriculture, hauling fertilizer, plants, or livestock trailers, recreation and events, carrying ATVs, motorcycles, kayaks, or even portable stage and sound equipment. Reinforced chassis, strong and durable. To support such massive towing and payload capacities, the chassis of the 2026 Ranger Super Duty has been extensively reinforced. Ford uses high-strength steel and adds reinforced welds at stress-prone points throughout the frame. As a result, the vehicle maintains its structural integrity when fully loaded and avoids flexing or twisting during cornering or over uneven terrain. Other components such as the suspension, brakes, driveshaft, and rear axle have also been upgraded. The rear suspension system uses heavy-duty leaf springs that resist sagging and maintain stability under load. Large disc brakes on all four wheels, combined with a power-assisted braking system, provide strong and reliable stopping performance even when fully loaded or towing. A thicker underbody steel skid plate helps protect critical components like the engine, transmission, and fuel tank from rocks and debris during off-road adventures or worksite driving. Tires and wheels, ready for all terrain. The 2026 Ranger Super Duty comes equipped with 33-inch all-terrain tires paired with 18-inch alloy wheels featuring an 8-lug bolt pattern, a design typically seen on heavy-duty trucks or off-road SUVs. This setup enhances load-bearing capacity and grip across rough surfaces like mud, gravel, sand, or rocky terrain. Equipping the truck with large tires not only serves off-road purposes but also increases ground clearance, improving the vehicle's ability to wade through water or overcome obstacles, improves driver visibility, as the vehicle sits higher than standard pickups, enhances wheel load capacity, maintaining safety during extended heavy-duty trips. 3. Safety features, protecting drivers on every journey. For a heavy-duty pickup like the 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty, safety features are not just optional add-ons. They are core elements that ensure the driver and passengers are protected in all working conditions and terrains. Ford has equipped this model with a comprehensive suite of advanced active and passive safety technologies, giving users complete peace of mind behind the wheel. Advanced driver assistance systems, intelligent support. One of the most outstanding safety aspects of the 2026 Ranger Super Duty is its advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, which include autonomous emergency braking, AEB. This system uses forward-facing radar and cameras to detect potential collisions with vehicles or pedestrians. If the driver does not react in time, the system automatically applies the brakes to reduce the risk of impact. Adaptive cruise control helps the vehicle maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front by automatically adjusting speed, especially useful during long highway drives. 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings via the central display, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces or reverse with confidence. Blind spot information system, BLIS, with trailer coverage, a particularly valuable feature for drivers who tow trailers frequently. The system extends blind spot detection to cover the full length of the trailer and alerts the driver when another vehicle enters those zones. Parking assistance and smart braking support. Operating a large vehicle in narrow or crowded spaces can be stressful. Anticipating this, Ford equips the 2026 Ranger Super Duty with several helpful parking and collision prevention features. Front and rear parking sensors. Ultrasonic sensors detect obstacles and provide audible and visual alerts to help the driver park safely. Forward collision warning. Works in conjunction with the EB to give early warnings when a potential collision is detected ahead. Reverse brake assist with rear cross-traffic alert. When reversing, this system monitors cross-traffic from both sides. It alerts the driver and can automatically apply the brakes to avoid collisions. Passive safety, solid structural protection. In addition to active safety, Ford pays close attention to passive protection through its vehicle structure. The high-strength steel frame is engineered to absorb and distribute crash forces, protecting the cabin area during collisions. 6 airbags, front, side, and curtain, provide comprehensive protection for both the driver and passengers in the event of a frontal or side impact crash. Seatbelt reminder systems are available for both front and rear passengers, with alerts shown on the dashboard and accompanied by sound warnings. Automatic door locking while driving and auto unlock in a crash add layers of safety and emergency readiness. Trailer safety, a huge plus for professional users. The 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty doesn't just ensure safety in everyday driving. It also goes the extra mile for trailer towing situations, which often come with their own set of risks. Trailer sway control helps stabilize the vehicle and trailer when strong crosswinds or abrupt steering inputs cause trailer movement. Hill start assist and hill descent control offer greater control when driving on hilly terrain, preventing rollback and maintaining steady downhill speeds. Integrated trailer brake controller allows drivers to adjust the braking force on the trailer independently, minimizing the risk of fishtailing or jackknifing during sudden stops. 4. Technology and convenience. Power meets intelligence. The 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty isn't just a powerful machine, it's also a smart, connected, and highly practical pickup truck equipped with a range of advanced technologies and convenience features. These innovations not only give the driver better control over the vehicle but also enhance the overall experience for both the driver and passengers. Sync 4 infotainment system, seamless connectivity and easy control. At the center of the dashboard is a 12-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, one of the most intuitive and responsive platforms in the market. With a user-friendly interface, fast response times, and integrated voice control, Sync 4 allows drivers to effortlessly access smart GPS navigation with real-time traffic updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, control over audio, climate, 360-degree camera, safety systems, and more. Sync 4 is more than just entertainment. It acts as a digital assistant that supports the driver on every journey, reducing distractions and keeping their focus on the road. Onboard Scales, intelligent load monitoring. One of the most practical and work-ready features on the 2026 Ranger Super Duty is the Onboard Scales system, which uses built-in sensors to estimate the total payload placed in the bed of the truck. The weight reading is displayed either on the sync screen or via an LED indicator bar integrated into the taillights. This system offers several benefits. Prevents overloading, helping protect the suspension and chassis. Optimizes load distribution, especially useful when transporting construction materials, machinery, or heavy tools. Enhances safety, particularly when driving at high speeds or on uneven terrain. Smart Hitch, guided trailer load distribution. For those who regularly tow trailers, Smart Hitch is an invaluable tool. This feature allows drivers to precisely measure the tongue weight, the downward force on the hitch, which is critical for trailer stability and safety. Here's how it works. When a trailer is connected, sensors automatically calculate the tongue weight. The sync screen will indicate whether the load is within the optimal range, too light, or too heavy. The system then recommends how to adjust the cargo in the trailer to achieve proper weight distribution. Incorrect load distribution can cause trailer sway, instability, or even loss of control, so this technology is a game changer for towing confidence and road safety. Versatile charging ports, stay connected on the go. Inside the cabin, Ford has added a wide range of charging and connectivity options including USB-A, USB-C, wireless charging, and 12 volts outlets, making it easy to power phones, tablets, and other small electronics while on the road. Higher trims even feature a 230 volts power outlet, allowing the use of more powerful tools or devices like laptops, power drills, or air pumps. Smart displays and digital instrument cluster. Ford has modernized the instrument panel behind the steering wheel with an 8 or 12-inch digital display, depending on the trim level, which can be customized to show different information depending on the driver's needs. Users can toggle between screens for vehicle diagnostics, navigation, load status, trailer guidance, and more. In addition, alerts from safety systems, payload monitoring, braking, and the 4WD drivetrain are clearly displayed, providing better situational awareness and helping the driver stay informed and in control. The design of the 2026 Ranger Super Duty reflects both strength and functionality. The hood features bold embossing with the words Super Duty, while the open mesh grille ensures optimal airflow. A frame-mounted steel front bumper provides enhanced protection for the radiator and headlights in off-road situations. Larger side mirrors improve visibility, especially important when towing large trailers. The 2026 Ford Ranger Super Duty represents a perfect blend of power, safety, and cutting-edge technology, with its impressive towing and payload capabilities, along with advanced safety and convenience features. This vehicle is built to meet the needs of even the most demanding customers, from businesses to off-road enthusiasts. The debut of the Ranger Super Duty marks a significant step forward for Ford in delivering powerful and reliable transportation solutions to the global market.